Detective Yoshimori has been with the Human Resources Division Career Center since 2007. His primary duties include processing applicants for all civilian contract and volunteer positions within the HPD. In 2013, Detective Yoshimori processed about 120 individuals, resulting in the hiring of over 70 civilian, contract, and volunteer personnel. He has also taken the initiative to be the point person within the HRD to facilitate the reorganization of HPD. Reorganizations involve drafting letters, attending meetings with unions and the city like HGA, UPW, SHOPO, and the city managing director, and amending organizational charts and revising position descriptions. Detective Yoshimori is married and has a 14-year-old daughter. He volunteers for his daughter's school-related activities, including chaperoning for field trips and assisting with fundraisers. He is just one semester away from obtaining his bachelor's degree in criminal justice from Chaminade University. I am pleased and proud to introduce to you the Honolulu Police Department Detective of the Year for 2014, Detective Eric Yoshimori.